The first step, you open your Achicad. Well, after opening, you create a new project. Then you, under options, work preference, dimensions, you change your units to millimeters. This is for architectural drawings. Well, zones, leave it as default, calculations, millimeters, because you set the dimensions to millimeters. The rest as default. Then under wall settings, double click it, geometry and position. First section for walls without cladding, second one with cladding. Then you can choose brick wall. Then the width of the wall between 150 and 300. For me, I took 200. Colors of the wall, that the lower one indicates the inner side of the wall. Select from multiple colors. Well, I took paint cobalt blue. The other settings, you leave them as default. Okay. Then you draw your wall. There you set the distance in millimeters, the angle. Yeah, you make your settings just by pressing any number. It will automatically change to dimensions. Then you choose between distance, angle, y coordinate, x. Yeah, that's it. Then you can view your drawing on 3D. So you can see that tab there allows you to rotate the wall and view different angles. That's it.